Hey guys, thanks for joining me again in today's video. So, we got some bad news. Alright guys, so you guys saw in the last video, I went ahead and loaded up the car with the engine and the head, hoping to get some machine work done. So today, right now, is Tuesday, and as you can see here in the background, we still got the car parts with us when I was supposed to be dropping it all off on Monday. And the reason for that is because when I went down to the machine shop, apparently the guy went out of business. I don't know what the reasons were. I talked to some of the people next door that are running their automotive business and stuff, and they said that he closed up shop. Well, one lady said that she thinks that he closed up shop maybe late 2018 or so. And my thing is, I just had him do machine work for me. I think it was the beginning of 2019 because he put some ARP rod bolts on my rods for me. So, but I haven't heard from him since, and nobody seems to have any contact information. Although the one lady did say that she thinks that he's working from home. That would be great. I mean, he could still cam degree it at home. I could take the head to get it resurfaced anywhere. But the cam degreeing over here where I'm at is very hard. Like, nobody wants to touch anything over here when it comes to that stuff. So, I don't know, I'm kind of at a standstill, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm thinking, just bite the bullet and learn how to do the whole degreeing myself. So I'll have to buy some tools for it. I'm gonna have to look into a lot of stuff and figure it out. I know it's a difficult job and something I've never done before, but I am willing to give it a shot. So I might be degreeing this engine on my own. I mean, who knows? So hey, it's part of the game, you know. It's a learning experience, and you know, honestly, I was already thinking before about degreeing it myself, and it's not a bad skill to have. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order the whole degree kit and do a whole bunch of reading and watch a bunch of videos and just really try to get thorough with it and degree it myself, because I'm not driving no 5-6 hours one way to get it degreed and then have to wait a couple of days, pay arm and a leg, and then drive, you know, another 5-6 hours just to get the motor back. So I'm probably gonna end up doing it myself. And somebody's flying a drone out there. Don't come around here, that shit'll get shot down. Let me switch this camera around. Yeah, that's a drone. I don't know what they're doing. All right, so what I'm doing here right now at storage is I'm just putting away tools from when Julian was over here helping me out with pulling the rest of the engine out. And yeah, man, shout out to Julian for helping me with that, because it poured down raining on us right here. Well, right after we got the motor like down on the ground, it poured down. So that was an experience. But so I'm here over at storage now. I'm just putting away some tools from that day. And I'm probably gonna pull out the, I got an engine stand in the back right there. So that's all boxed up and disassembled. So I'm probably gonna pull it out and assemble it and everything, get it ready, so that way I can put the motor on there and, you know, start cleaning it up and getting it ready. So that's it, guys. Just want to let you guys know the news, that things are gonna take a little bit longer than expected, but bear with me. We're all in this together, trust me. So we'll get it done. So if you're new to the channel, guys, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Also, hit the subscribe button, man. Let's just keep this train going and have fun with this whole experience. Appreciate you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.